Hello, I'm Tom Lino, and this is my entry into the 60s, Psychedelic 60s group bill. It's a London black cab. It's a 1968. They came in two colors, black, and of course it's called wine. When I got this, it was really weird because it just came in an Amazon box, but no tape, nothing on it, just like this. So I was a little nervous about there being missing something, but there wasn't. So but I got it after the build started. So just to let you know, I got all these. Everything's still in plastic. One thing I didn't realize is that it's one of those kits. It's got a diesel engine in it, but it's one that you can see from the top, and I guess you can paint some stuff on the bottom or whatever. But so it's all there, but I was a little bit disappointed in that part of it. But that's my build for Psychedelic 60s. Thanks.